Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through purchasing any Inu token on Trust Wallet using the PancakeSwap exchange. To begin, launch the Trust Wallet app and tap on the Buy button. Choose BNB, where you can purchase a minimum of $50 worth of BNB using a credit card or receive BNB through a smart contract and QR code. Next, navigate to the browser and visit the PancakeSwap exchange. Connect your Trust Wallet within PancakeSwap by clicking on Trust Wallet and then on Connect. Select Cake, then proceed to copy the address of your desired Inu token from CoinMarketCap. Paste the address in the provided space, then click on Any Inu. This way, your Any Inu will be selected and ready for the swap. Now, adjust the slippage by clicking on the icon and setting it to 1%. Now, enter the number of tokens you wish to purchase and initiate the swap. Review the transaction details and click on Confirm Swap. After verifying the transaction details and network features, approve the transaction. To add the token to your Trust Wallet, click on Manage Crypto, then select the plus icon at the top right of the screen. BNB Smart Chain as the network. Paste the Any Inu address we copied before, and in last click Import. Your Any Inu is successfully imported in your Trust Wallet, and you can easily send and receive the token. So that's basically how you can purchase any Inu token on Trust Wallet using the PancakeSwap exchange. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.